one sentence to attract wealth.
वेल्थ इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ योर माइंडसेट, आपकी बिलीफ का प्रोडक्ट है। तो अगर आपको वेल्थ अट्रैक्ट करनी है, वर्क ऑन व्हाट यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग अबाउट वेल्थ एंड देन थिंग्स विल चेंज ऑन द आउटसाइड। ये सोच है दैट मनी इज डिफिकल्ट टू मेक, जस्ट ड्रॉप दैट इमीडिएटली, ड्रॉप इवन speaking that. Money cannot buy happiness. Either you have money or you have health, relationships, etc. That's the biggest lie we have been told.
So number one limiting belief about money.
For me, the biggest one was you need to work बहुत hard work करनी पड़ती है तब जाके पैसा बनता है.
Each is limiting their own potential.
Their own, yeah. मनी वर्ड हम बहुत ही छोटा यूज करते हैं वेल्थ के लिए। मनी इज जस्ट वन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ वेल्थ। आपकी हेल्थ एक वेल्थ है, आपकी नेटवर्क, आपके कनेक्शंस, आपकी दोस्ती, ये सारी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेल्थ है, आपकी इम्पैक्ट क्रिएटिंग एबिलिटी।
Manifestation real or is it just a fancy word for wishful thinking?
Manifestation is definitely real. It's no wishful thinking, it's no delusion, it's science.
The subconscious mind, how it can be channelized to attract wealth.
Whatever limiting things that we just spoke about, all of these are deeply layered into your subconscious mind. So three things are responsible here: your thoughts, your feelings and your emotions. ये पूरा गेम इन तीनों का है।
तो आप कॉन्शियसली भले ही एंग्शियस फील कर रहे हो, और अगर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ट्रेन किया हुआ है आपने अपने आप को, तो वहां जाएगा, वहां से प्रोसेस निकालेगा और आपको इट विल सेल यू थ्रू।
मेटाफोर की तरह से देखा जाए तो some kind of energy that you emit. We all have our own energies, right? जो हमें फील होती है, हमें दिखाई नहीं देती है। It's a aura that you're surrounded by. The same kind of things that you want, वो यूनिवर्स में एग्जिस्ट हो रहा है। This is how quantum physics works, where you bring it into your reality. जैसे जिम रॉन बताते हैं, you are the average of 5 people whom you spend your time with. Your health, wealth, relationships will be the average of the health, wealth and relationship of these 5 people. So look around. What is their wealth like?
One affirmation can literally rewire your money destiny if repeated daily.
I earn money with ease and grace. It makes your trust and your surrender easy. First of all, rich people think money is abundant. Rich people think they deserve money. One is the scarcity thinking, जो कहता है कि there's never enough. There's never enough money. There's never enough love. There's never enough goodness. There's never enough kindness in people. Versus abundant thinking. There's more than enough. आ जाएगा, हो जाएगा, कहीं से तो हो जाएगा.
You have a 16-year-old son, right? If he asks you, Mom, how do I become rich?
Just trust that you're worthy to become rich.
Generational wealth trauma जिसे कहते हैं कि
So what happens is generational trauma. The word का meaning ये है कि